What is up, Mechanits? Gunpla Bro here. And today, I have for you the high-grade Gem Sniper Custom Premium Bandai from my sponsor, Side7Exports.com. Side7Exports.com. The best place to go when you want Gundam-based exclusives or premium Bandai kits not available in the USA. Shipping is free. If you are interested in buying something from Side 7 Exports, please use my coupon code GUNPLABRO10 to get 10% off your next order. Thank you, Side 7 Exports. Here is the Gem Sniper Custom with all the accessories. You have a set of holding hands, one trigger, two fists, scattergun, sniper rifle, mount for the sniper rifle, mount for the beam saber, and down here we have a sheet of color correcting stickers and a sheet of pill and stick decals. This is the sniper rifle of the kit. It has a little fold out stock, which is very cool. And the barrel can attach down here and goes in there. It's very cool. Not a lot of detail on it, and there's no color correcting sticker for the scope, as you can see. And that's about it. It's a cool little rifle. This is how it looks on the kit. Here we go. We have these little sandwich style holding hands here. This is the only trigger finger in the kit. You tab the rifle in like this and make sure it's secure. Then you put the trigger finger side on, like so. Oops. Now you take that and you just slot it right into here with the ball joint. Very cool. Now let's take a look at it. And there he is, holding the sniper rifle. I also like how his visor folds down. It's a very cool gimmick. The colors of this kit are also great. My one real complaint is that he can't really like brace the rifle against his body. There's no place for it. So it just kind of, the stock just kind of floats in the air. Not ideal. Oh no, it's a very cool option part, besides that little gripe. I like it. Moving on. Here is the scattergun and beam saber attached to the kit. The scattergun attaches the same way as the sniper rifle, so you can figure that out. You're smart. Cool. Alright. You can also attach the entire beam saber's handle into the barrel of the scattergun, which probably isn't intended, but looks really cool. So there you go. I like it. Here are some more beam saber shenanigans you can do. You can attach the beam saber to the mount that goes on his arm that's just there to hold it, and have it look like it's coming out of his wrist. The beam saber can also fit into the barrel of the sniper, though it does not fit in very well, as you can see. Now here's how you mount the sniper rifle onto the kit. You fold down the stock, you put the mounting brace on top of the rifle right there, make sure it's secure. Then you take the rifle, take that peg joint, stick it right in his ass, and there you go. Mounts it to the kit. It's pretty secure, though it does like to wobble, but it holds in there nice enough. And here's the mount for the beam saber. It's a very simple piece of kit. You just tab the beam saber using this hole right into the mount. There you go. And you mount it right onto the arm. Very simple. And the scatter gun here can mount right onto his leg. I personally think it's amazing that every piece of kit can fit on this kit. All the option parts can attach in some way to the body of this 1/44th scale kit. That is absolutely crazy. Personally, I think Bandai knocked it straight out of the park with these origin kits. The detail, the color separation, the amount of gimmicks, and the articulation, which we're going to get to in a minute. Absolutely incredible. Now let's talk about the aesthetics and the stickers on this kit. Now, the kit itself is pretty plain looking. There's really not much to talk about in regards to its colors. But the color separation on this kit is quite good. You have two basic colors, this foresty green. It's kind of like it has a brownish tinge to it that really doesn't get picked up on the camera, but it's very nice. And the plastic, very high quality. I really love the aesthetics of this kit. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of small details on this kit. Everywhere. Every inch has panel lining on it. Once again, the Origin series of kits from Gundam The Origin. Just incredible. Absolutely amazing that you can have pack so much small details on such a tiny kit. This kit's 4 inches tall. It's 1/44 scale. You get all these nice details, man. I really love that. I love panel lining my kits, and any kit that gives me plenty of opportunities to do that is an ace kit in my book. This model's great. The mold is great. The build is great. It's very solid. You could shake it and it wouldn't fall apart on you. But that's all I have to say about the aesthetics. It's very nice. Let's talk about those stickers. This kit comes with a very small set of color correcting stickers. You have this big chest panel here. Very nice. I really like how the sheen of the sticker almost matches the sheen of this gray plastic. And we have these stickers on the backpack. They're gray and they look alright. Not the best. Could have been color. Could have been a separate piece, in my opinion. But whatever. And finally, we have the camera stickers. We have one here on the front of the head. And on the back of the head. And here we have the big sheet of sticker style decals. I personally don't think too highly of them. They kind of look like crap on darker plastic. They look fine on white plastic or gray, but on anything a shade darker than that, they look kind of iffy. But I put them on just to have an example. They look alright. Not the worst. But, yeah. That's the sticker decals. And let's move all this crap out of the way and talk about the final part of this review. The articulation. Let's go. Starting off with the head, visor, down, and up, back and forth, doing the chicken, and all the way around. Right on. This little vent here can flip up to there. The arm is on a ball joint. There you go. The arm itself can spin all the way around. Flip all the way up to there. Spin all the way around. Great flex. Awesome flex. And the wrist is on a ball joint. They like to pop out really easily, by the way. Forgot to mention that. No kit is perfect. Waist to spin around like that. The waist can bend like that. And the forward crunches. Oh my god. Oh no. Let's just say it exceeds expectations. The front skirt can move up to there. Pretty good. The side skirt can move up to, hold on a second, up to there. Jim Sniper's butt don't move. Not at all. Big old splits. Woo! Very good. Big kick to the front. And that's about all you get to the back, but there's a good reason for that. Butt flap. The knee bend. Very good. Spin. I almost forgot to mention there's a leg rocker that allows the leg to kick out to there. Oops. The ankle armor is on a ball joint. Snaps right in. But it doesn't do much. It doesn't move around much at all. The ankle goes down to there. And up to there. The ankle can move side to side like so. It's on a ball joint and it can spin all the way around. Like so. Just be careful because those little parts there like to pop off. So yeah, watch out for that. That is all for the review, guys. I must say I really like this kit. It's very cool. It looks very good. Has pretty decent option parts and gimmicks. All in all, if you want one for yourself, please stop by side7exports.com, use my coupon code, and have a wonderful day. But that is all, Mecha Nuts. I have a few things to say. I wanted to get this video out a lot sooner, and I apologize for taking so long to get it made. My camera's battery charger died, and I had to get a new one, and it just wasn't happening until that came in. So once again, I am sorry for making you wait if you were looking forward to this review. And let me know what review you're looking forward to, because I've done quite a few unboxings lately and I'd like to know, so please comment down below and let me know. And if you don't mind dropping a like on this video, and if you're a new viewer, please, how about subscribing? But until then, fellas, the best is yet to come. Gunpla Bro out.